Before I go, I had to say hey to you guys. I miss you so much. This summer is going to be super lit with videos, so please send me any ideas that you guys have. This was a quick one, but I had to put it out. I had so much fun filming it for you guys. Yeah, I'm just really excited about this summer, and I can't wait to just have the channel grow and just talk to you guys more. Just miss you so much. Okay, but yes, I'm super excited. Don't forget to send me any ideas, comment section down below. I love you so much. All right, gotta go. Bye.